Hey guys, so today I am out of bread. I'm trying to put all these fabrics up to the attic because I was given them by Root and I just have no space like in my room or anything for them, so I'm putting them up to the attic so they're just like out of the way and I can get them down when I need them because they're like easily accessed up there. So that's what I'm doing. Guys, and good morning. Today is Friday, so it's the day before I'm putting up this vlog, but because I don't really have anything for it, I decided I'd just kind of vlog a bit of my day. So basically today I am going up to Westport to film the next episode of Design Talk with Root Wash, and before that I just cleaned the apartment and I'm just gonna, oh sugar, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second. Okay, so I'm just making myself a coffee first because you know what? I need some energy because I'm like falling asleep here. But I just cleaned the apartment, so now I'm going to finish prepping for my other video because I'm also, oh god, well I mean probably now the What Would JMC Do video will be coming as well this week because the two of them kind of come together. So I do the design talk and then I do the What Would JMC Do as well. Or I do the JMC first and then design talk, that's what I done last one. But this one I'm going to mix up a bit, you know, just to keep you on your toes. So, and then also, I have a really exciting one planned. I'm filming next weekend. Oh my god, you guys, like literally like, oh, I'm so excited to film it. It's like something different from my channel. It's not like a room, well, I mean, it's filmed differently. It's kind of more of a challenge video, that makes no sense. But you'll see when that comes in March, which will be like, not like when it comes, you'll see when it comes. It won't, it'll be like in a couple of weeks I'd say. But yeah, that's gonna be coming and it's just really exciting. And then guys, you know, in April I'm 21, so it's starting to get pretty scary, if you ask me. So I have a few special videos planned for that event, which will be taking place in April, and then also I'm going to New York in April. So it's a lot of exciting things coming down the pipeworks for the next couple of months. So, oh guys, my dog was actually just like sleeping on the step there. Let me. She was like lying down on the step. Hello. Hello. Oh. She actually like loves me so much. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing this morning, guys. So if you ever wondered what type of coffee I use, it's this one, the Nescafe Zero Americano one. It's like the tastiest one. It's the one that tastes most like the kind of ones you get in the coffee shops, like the barista ones. So I mean, 100% recommend. 100% recommend. I just like shake the coffee and like I just kind of eyeball it because I'm not like that particular. Like I put like about that much in, like just so it covers like the bottom of the cup. And then I put the milk in first because if you put the hot water in it kind of gives a burnt taste. So put the milk in first. That's how you make a beautiful, tasty barista style coffee at home. And then I also have this machine here, I'll show you. It's like this kind of a machine. It's like you put the milk in up here. Oh, and then you attach like this thing here to the bottom of it. Oh, sugar. Attach this like to the bottom. And then you pour your milk in and you close this up. And you turn it on and you leave it for like a minute and it makes the milk like all like creamy and frothy like cappuccino milk. Oh my god, and it's a magnet as well so it like sticks. But that's if you're like feeling like cappuccino frappuccino or something. It's really nice if you actually use it for making hot chocolates. Like if you put in milk and like the chocolate, oh my god, it's so good. I was going to do some prep for another video, but you know, I don't have time, so I'm just going to post on Instagram and then get all my stuff into the car and ready to go, and then head up to Westport. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back from Westport now. We got the next episode of Design Talk filmed and ready, and I'm really excited about it because I think it's a good one. Sorry, I know it's a good one. So now what I get the pleasure of doing is editing the video for tomorrow, and then if I have time after I edit and do the thumbnail and everything for the video tomorrow, I can start importing the Design Talk video and like hopefully get that edited by tomorrow night. And will I get, yeah, I definitely will get it edited by tomorrow night. So no, will I? Yeah, I'll have it definitely edited by like Monday anyway. So and then try and get the next video filmed then. So that's, yeah, I'll try to get the next video filmed then for the weekend. And that's what I'm going to do now. So I think I'll close this off here, and if I have anything else to put in, I'll put it in, I suppose.